McMahon family, it's me, Emma. You might be wondering why I made this video. Well, I got the idea when I was talking to my mom. She was telling me how difficult it used to be to get the whole family together. When she was a kid, Grandma would actually send out letters telling the family when and where the next reunion would be. She'd have to plan it practically a whole year in advance because, well, I guess long-distance calls were really expensive back then, so there'd be a lot of letters going back and forth. Although I'm glad we don't have to do that kind of thing anymore, it did get me thinking that it would be really fun to create a video invite this time around. So that's what this is. You are officially invited to the McMahon family reunion we're holding on Saturday, August 17th, 2019. Like Grandma, I'm giving you a lot of advance notice, but that's only because I want everyone to be there. Now you'll have plenty of time to plan flights and hotels if you're coming from far away. The reunion's going to be at Dolphin Lake Park in Homewood, Illinois, and it's going to start at 2 o'clock. You should plan on it going until whenever. There's going to be tons of awesome food, plenty of games, and of course a cookout, because every good outdoor get-together should have burgers and hot dogs. While we're still figuring it all out, I'll know more as the date gets closer. That's why I'm asking you to please go to the family reunion website right now, before you forget. It's at www.mcmahonreunion.com. When you go to the website, sign up for email updates. Then once we figure stuff out, you'll get all the info you need about what you can bring and where you can stay if you're coming from a distance. Anyway, that's it for now. I hope everybody's doing well. Thanks for watching my video. Can't wait to see you in August. Bye!